Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to fill color in circle in AutoCAD. Let's start. First we will create a circle here and I will select center diameter and I will give the diameter 100. Now zoom, Z, enter, extend. So now we want to fill color in the circle. How we can do that? Type H for H command and here click on solid and you guys can change the color here. Let's say I want red, make it red and click close. So in this way we can fill any shape, whether it is a circle, a rectangle, triangle. We will create here a rectangle here. Now type again H and click on here. It will select color automatically what you previously selected. Now select this one, type change properties and you guys can change the color. We will create now a polygon here. Number of side 6. Again type H, select, close and again select the color, type CH, change properties and this time you can give a blue. So this is a way to fill a color in AutoCAD.